Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain branch app review to see if it worth using. So to get started, in 2025 the branch app is a go-to tool for many hourly workers looking for early access to earn wages, personal loans and digital wallet features all in one place. It offers free next day or low fee instant transfer and also include tools like bills pay, earning tracking, shift alert and scheduling for partnered workspace. It's available in countries like United States, Nigeria, Kenya, and India, and is especially popular for its fast loan approval and clean user and friendly interface. However, it's not without drawback. Users often report loan disbursement delay, inconsistent customer support, and issue with app glitches or login error. Credit limit can also be low initially, and frequent borrowing could lead to financial dependency. And here's a better conclusion about the app. So branch app is worth it for users who need short-term financial help and basic wallet tools, but it's best used carefully. So don't rely on it as your main financial safety net. And that's it. Hope you find the review a little bit more helpful. Hit the turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.